And today's hair I'm reviewing is Sunber Hair, and they was nice enough to send me a wig, and it's so cute. It's a bob. Your girl never had a bob before. My mom already knows. I've been feeling. Yeah. It's really nice middle part. Has lace. Let's see about the baby hairs. There's not really any baby hairs. Honestly, you don't need any with the middle part, I feel. Well, I have some. I don't even know why I'm talking. You do need baby hairs, but like, you could, I don't know how to describe it. You do need baby hairs. I don't know what I'm saying. Don't listen to me. I'm gonna bleach the knots and cut the lace, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install the wig and my final thoughts on it. But anyways, back to the wig. Inside, we was already on the wig, but inside is four combs, and there's adjustable straps, and that's it. And it's like really sturdy. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I had bleached the knots and when I had cut the lace, and you guys already know what I used because I did that in my other video on my first wig I did. So yeah, we're gonna see how good I do with this wig, okay? But yeah guys, this is the finishing look. The hair's really soft. I like the quality of the hair, and the hair didn't take long to come, so that's a good thing. Okay, I don't even know if I'm feeling the side part anymore. It has like a lot of volume and stuff. It's really cute. Not too thick, not too thin. Thank you, Sun.